Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I'm a makeup artist, a book lover, and I swore that this would be my last book haul, but we have come to learn that I am a liar. So here's another book haul. I have a whole stack of books here, and I have a box from Book Outlet, and then I have some bookish related stuff. It's not a book, but it's book adjacent. I have spent way too much money on books, but it is what it is. This is part of my life, and it's something that I have to contend with. So my husband supports me, and that is all that matters. So I'm gonna start with the stack of books and then go in with my Book Outlet order. Half of these are Christmas books. So I bought from Amazon for a few of these, and then the rest are Target. One book I picked up is Twisted by McIntire. This is the fourth book, I believe, in the Never After series, and this is a retelling of, I believe, Aladdin. Now this book, I have the first and second book that I haven't read yet. So this is just the third book. It came out, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get it. This is King of Greed by Huang. This is the third book in the King of Sin series. This one I have heard is described as like a second chance sort of romance where the couple is already married and he's so like enraptured with his work that the wife feels neglected and he doesn't realize that he screwed up until she leaves. I love stories like that. I'm super excited for this one. I still haven't read any of, at this point of me filming this, I haven't read any of Anna Wong's stories. I'm gonna start the Twisted series that she has, and then I will delve into this one. Now this book I have seen all over TikTok and Instagram. This one is Butcher and Blackbird by Brynne Weaver. This one is like serial unalivers that fall in love. And like, I guess there's like some pretty messed up stuff in here. I guess you can classify this as a dark romance. I did hear that there's like some comedy in it. Don't quote me on that, but I've heard really great things about this. I also heard that the audiobook for this is phenomenal. I'm not an audiobook person though, so don't take my word on it, but I'm so excited to read this. I don't know when I'm gonna get to it though, because I kind of want to focus on like happy holiday stories, but we'll see. And then from Lucy's Score, I got Mr. Fixer-Upper. If I'm being honest, I don't know what this one is about. The only book from Lucy's Score I've read is By a Thread, and I really enjoyed it. For the most part, I gave it 4 stars. So I wanted to read more of her stories because I've heard that they're really good. The Knockout or Knock Me Out series, whatever that is, I've heard that's really great, and I want to get that eventually. I do believe it's on Kindle Unlimited. I actually think this one's on Kindle Unlimited too, but I wanted a physical copy. This is technically the first book in a series, so of course I had to get the second one. And I'll be honest, I saw this one, realized it's the second book, and I was like, you know what, I might as well get the first book and the second book and go from there. This is The Christmas Fix by Lucy Score. This is Single Dad, Small Town, Christmas Time. I think both of these books sort of follow like reality TV, like Fixer-Upper, HGTV-esque stuff, so very interested for this one. I'm excited to delve into Christmas books. And then I picked up Lovelight Farms. This is by BK Borison. This is two best friends, fake dating, romantic comedy, Christmas time. And I believe there is a second book to this, but it's not based on Christmas, but it follows a influencer, I think. This one is about saving a Christmas tree farm. What's not to love? On a side note, I love real Christmas trees, but I have not had one in my life since being with my husband because he is allergic to pine. Next is 25 Days Till Christmas. This is by the author Poppy Alexander. It's about a woman named Kate who is very lonely because her husband left for the army and never came home, so it's just her and her son. And she's kind of lost the spark of Christmas. And this is, I think, a rekindling of the Christmas spirit. Hopefully it's a happy ending too. Hopefully. This one I am so excited for, and I don't know why because I still haven't read any of her books, and I own quite a few of them. Wreck the Halls by Tessa Bailey. This one just seems like it's gonna be funny and great. I like the title, Wreck the Halls. On the back it says it's a hilarious standalone holiday rom-com about adult children of 2 former rock stars who team up to convince their estranged mothers to play a Christmas Eve concert. Does that not sound fun? That sounds freaking fun. And wouldn't you know, I just went to Target. Literally, I made dinner, we ate, and then we went to Target, and I got 2 books. So I got A Winter in New York by Josie Silver. This is about a woman who moves to New York City to restart her life. Her best friend takes her to a street fair in Little Italy, and that is where she sees a little restaurant that looks very familiar to her because she has a photo of it from her mother. So this one involves family secrets and the wintertime in New York, and I just think it's gonna be a wonderful read. I love this color. And then the last book I got is Holly Jolly Cowboy by Jessica Clare. Cowboy romance. I'll be honest, in real life, not a fan of cowboys, but in books, yes. This is about a woman named Holly who is a waitress that needs a better paying job to help pay for her sister's tuition. So she gets a job at the Flat Sea Ranch to cook and clean for the cowboys there, but she didn't realize that her nemesis Adam also works there. It says that when the rest of the ranch hands go out of town for the holidays, Holly and Adam will be forced to work together closely. No sweat. Holly can deal with Adam, and if she doesn't kill him first, she just might fall in love. It's cute. That's cute. Now for my book outlet order, I bought this a while ago, and it actually arrived quite a while ago, and I haven't opened it yet, and I don't remember what exactly I bought. First book I'm pulling out is Dirty Lion Faeries by Sabrina Blackburry. Hardback cover. Don't know too much about it. Sounded interesting. As I have stated before in a few of my videos, I kind of buy the books on Book Outlet based on literally maybe name and cover alone, and I don't read the blurb about it. Ooh, I forgot I got this one. This is The Stolen Heir by Holly Black. This is a spin-off of The Cruel Prince. This takes place 8 years later in the point of view of Oak, who you meet in The Cruel Prince. I'm excited for that. I still have to finish the Cruel Prince series, and this one is also part of kind of that world. This is How the King of Elfhame Learned to Hate Stories. This is a short novella, and I believe it's in the point of view of, yeah, it's in point of view of Carden, or about Carden. I want to say everything's cute. Kind of like a fairy tale book, really. I also got Lightlark by Aster. I honestly don't know too much about this. Every 100 years, the island of Lightlark appears for only 100 days to host a deadly game where the rulers of 6 realms fight to break their curses and win unparalleled power. I'm gonna say I'm excited for that, but I'm excited for all of these. And I got All of Us Are Villains. I don't know too much about this one, but I always like the cover of this, and I believe there's a second book. This is from Amanda Foody and Christine Lynn Herman. I don't know too much about this, except for on the back it says, the blood moon rises, the blood veil falls, the tournament begins. I love stories like that. I have Well Traveled by Jen DeLuca. This one is a Ren Fair love story. Don't know too much other than that, and I'm probably not going to read the blurb on the back. This will be one of my blind book reads. And I got 3 more Tessa Bailey books. I got Secretly Yours, Too Wild to Tame. With this one, I have completed the Romancing the Clarksons series, and I already own Too Hot to Handle, Too Hard to Forget, and Too Beautiful to Break. There's a novella with that, but I didn't know that. And I got Unfortunately Yours. This is a marriage of convenience story, and I love those stories. I do. Again, I bought way too many Tessa Bailey books without actually, you know, reading any of them. So this just adds to my ever-growing Tessa Bailey collection. I am really hoping I like her writing style, because at this point, a little ridiculous. So moving on, I picked up Dark Succession by Katee Robert. This is another like marriage of convenience, arranged marriage sort of thing. The only other book from Katee Robert I have read is The Neon Gods, that book, the Hades and Persephone story. So I don't know anything else about that. I did enjoy that one, so hopefully I like this one. And then the last book I got from Book Outlet is Booked on a Feeling by Jayci Lee. This just seemed cute. On the back it says an overachieving lawyer, a failing bookstore, a childhood friend, and a chance of a lifetime. This sounds like it's gonna be super cute, and I just love fluffy romance stories. I do. Alright, and that wraps up my Book Outlet order. So I have one other thing to share, and I got this from Book Babe Designs from Instagram. She launched some prints and some bookmarks and some other things, and I'm excited for that. I missed out on getting the merch stuff for spooky season, and I don't think she has anything coming out for Christmas time, which is a bummer because her stuff's really cute. But next time she has something come out, I'm definitely gonna grab something. Alright, so everything is kind of wrapped up in this little thing, but it's much bigger than I thought. So this is a reading journal, which, oh, this looks so cool. This is a big bookmark. So this is a reading journal. The design is so pretty. So this is the first page, and a reading task challenge, reading goals, your own library. That is cute. I suck at handwriting though, so I don't know how well that's gonna work for me. More pages for the library, and then it starts the pages for book review, where you can list the title, author, genre, when you started it, when you finished it, your overall rating. You can rate the plot, the characters, the spice. If you Enjoyed it, the ending. Favorite characters. Yes, no made me cry. Yes, no made me laugh. Yes, no made me mad. Spot for your quotes. One word to describe this book. And then a spot for all your notes. And at the back there's just a photo. Another photo. This is really pretty, and I'm gonna be honest, with how much I read, I would probably fill this up very quickly. I think what I'm going to do, because I haven't started the ACOTAR and everything, because there's just a lot, I might do that. And other than the reading journal, I got some prints and some bookmarks, and I think she threw in a couple stickers. That is the brand logo, Book Babe Designs. I'll have their Instagram down below. In the journal came this bookmark, very pretty, very big. And you have a smaller one. It's so cute. A little ghost on a swing reading. Love that. And then these four actually match the prints I got. So there's one for each season. Here is the first one. Obviously this one is fall. So cute. And you have winter. Lovely. And this one, I'll be honest, I can't tell the difference between spring and summer. But here are the actual prints. There's one, two. I absolutely love this winter one. It is so pretty. And I love, obviously, the fall one. I'm going to buy one frame, put it by my bookshelves, and just switch these out each season. And there was also this little sticker included in it. Isn't this adorable? I am very impressed with all these. The quality feels really great. And I'm happy that I have more bookmarks. So yeah, that's all the books I got, all the merchandise I bought. Oh, I need to do that? No, I did not. I really love books. There's just such like a high you get buying books. It's crazy. My husband doesn't understand, but his loss. I have a lot of reading to do. I don't know if I'll ever finish my TBR list because I just keep buying more. When I am filming this is November 1st. I don't know when this video is going up, but one book that I haven't included on here it's paid for, is Iron Flame. I'm just waiting for that to come in. So excited for that. If you have read any of the books I have mentioned, let me know what you think of them. No spoilers, please, no spoilers. But yeah, I will leave everything down below if you're interested in it. And if you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And for my book accounts, I am Devouring Bookishly on TikTok and Instagram. I do have a code for Book Outlet that if you sign up for it and you spend a certain amount, you get $5 off. It's a great website to check out if you want to buy books on the cheap. They have great prices, and so far I haven't had any issues with the quality, and I've made several purchases. I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!